everyone! On this video, ipapakita ko kung paano mag-add ng biller sa Gcash. So, you can easily pay your bills online from your phone. Let's get started! Open Gcash, then click Bills. As you can see, may mga na-add na akong favorite billers. Just click Add Biller. Then, search the name of your biller. On this case, East West Bank ang ilalagay ko. So, select it. Enter the details na hinihingi. On my case, credit card number. The amount is optional. Kung fixed naman ang binabayaran nyo monthly, pwede nyo ilagay dyan. But if not, just leave it blank. Credit card ang binabayaran ko dito. It varies every month. So, iwan ko lang. The email receipt to, which is optional. Pag nilagay nyo to, makaka-receive kayo ng confirmation in this email. Nickname, could be anything. Lalagay ko dito is EW Platinum for East West Platinum, but it's totally up to you. Then, if you want a reminder every month, select nyo lang dito. But if not, just click Don't Remind Me. Click Save. And there you go. You've successfully saved the biller. Now, diretso tayo mag-pay ng bill. Just click Pay Bill, the amount, then click Next. Just note na merong service fee na 10 pesos. And there you go. And that's it. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to this. Thank you guys. Bye!